Yeah. So
22 Sunday.
22 that Sunday I'm here.
Okay.
Okay. But it
In
depends.
case I confirm, then I call you.
If zero, no more vacancies, I can't take you. You know. Okay.
So how many of them only?
Beth don't have. Beth has not. Beth don't have.
It's
because
not
Beth is
included.
not. Yes.
She's not included. Okay. For each, guys. For each. Okay, then
I
you sign
always
here.
choose the lemon. I think you.
Wow,
The
that's
last
good.
time I saw very.
Yes,
I
you
don't
know
know how
what?
to
Yeah, the technique is you just cut
Yeah.
and then get one fork and then you squeeze
Yeah.
like that.
Every day I'm making juice.
Ah.
I take
Oh,
the lemon.
every day when you make that one, oh, you're thinking of me.
Yeah.
It's because that's a technique. This is Marina's technique.
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, very good. So, okay, sign here. What's your name then? Okay, sign. Okay, last day. You wanna enroll again?
Thank you.
Oh, welcome. Oh, ikaw naman, dear.
Last Saturday I'm making the green curry
Wow.
chicken.
The one is the other instructor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lizzie, I bring this one up first.
So, only 3 of you and Beth is coming also. So, 4. Maybe si ay hindi siya pala pupunta. Nakauwi na ba ng Pinas? Oh, the other one has, she's in the Philippines already.
Oh,
Yeah.
the Myanmar
So,
girl is also.
oh, how about the Myanmar?
Yeah, no, Myanmar na kami.
Why is not coming?
The Busi, I don't Busi, I cut.
Must be Kosushi.
Okay, so, yeah, you are... Lisbeth is coming, but the enrollee is 6, right? So, 1, Gracia, and then, anong pangalan ng isa? The other one? The anime, and you, and 1, and the Myanmar. Oh, so okay. Today is 4 only. So we wait for Lisbeth. While waiting for Lisbeth, you just wash the broccoli, and then I will tell you how to make it. Where is my? Oh my gosh! Yeah, wait. I'll give you. Just arrange my.
Ayoko di salad. And
So today is 60.
niluto ko yung chicken wrap. Baka masarap
With
yung ko
the avocado? Ay, the one is the lettuce wrap.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. You still
They are, yeah, because the other one is having holiday in Philippines already.
Oh, one is.
And then,
holiday.
yeah, and Gracia is, the employer is out of town, so she cannot go.
So which one? So
She
today
cannot
how
go
many?
out,
Oh,
she
sorry.
cannot go out.
Tomorrow,
And then,
today how many?
so they only, 4 altogether
4,
with
yes.
Lisbeth, they are only 3. Yes. Okay, your recipe. Meron ka na? Wow, today the printing is very clear, huh? It's very clear.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. So you have to
I want the
soup the recipe, okay? That you already have. Write your name in your recipe, okay? Lisbeth is still on the way.
Huh?
Lisbeth is still on the way.
Beth is on the way now.
Yeah.
No worries.
have an apple.
No problem.
You want the apple? This one. Can you give me one knife, the small one? Small one, yeah. Not big, huh? Just a small.
Cut into little flowerets. Flowerets. Yeah, I use
The
this
small
one.
one.
I use this
Oh, you
one.
can. You want to use this apple?
Don't worry. I use this corner.
Okay, all the bags is here, so it gets messy. The bag is here.
You all remember my ikan bilis fritters?
That
So
one
today-
is very nice.
today
I tried already.
I'm doing banana.
Wow.
Okay, I do
You
banana.
want this one, dear? What's this?
Because sharing it with my
Today is
colleagues
your
upstairs.
graduation, that's why.
Yeah, then you got extra.
Yeah, so Madam Jen will treat you.
So
That's why. And then, you do this, my dear. You just wash this.
Wash your hands up.
Yes, you just wash for me. Then I'll show you how to cut this. I think the broccoli is too much, so you can bring that home the other.
Just add on to for them, like, it's okay. Too
Okay,
much,
will-
Just,
okay.
just add on for them.
I need you to boil water, so we can wash with the hot water.
Which one is better, this one?
I think yeah,
Actually, all working.
all working, but I have to find out which stand.
Huh?
Which stand, yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
If it's not working, must tell them that it's not working.
It's working with the other pan. You know the induction is like that.
I know.
Oh,
that's why
yeah.
that's why I never like induction cooker.
That's right.
I prefer gas.
Yes, even me.
I prefer
And it won't
gas.
get burnt if gas.
Yeah, correct.
Yes. You take it.
Teacher,
I'll show you how.
boil water is this.
You just cut this one, huh?
This one,
I'll show you.
Boil
Yeah, just go boil water. You cut this tiny one, huh? Very small, okay? I think it's too much.
Is it too much?
Yes.
It's still too much, huh?
It's still-
You want to cut the apple, teacher?
Sorry?
This one, water.
I just cut like this also. The same, yeah. And then you mix them together in one.
This one okay, teacher?
Sorry? Yes, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, I'll just wash the broccoli. Yeah? Okay. That they cook, smell fish. Smell fishy. There's not that one and white. And
If I use up all my honey,
what is this? Honey, yeah. Use this for How we put together the salad thing so you can take a picture first before we mix together. Okay. Very good. Very good. Honey, sugar. Sugar. Lemon. Squeeze the lemon, huh? Just one, otherwise smell onion, huh? Yes, you just cut all. There's a lot of broccoli. Then you can also the yogurt that I bring. Nothing to waste. Just make it all.
Yeah.
Okay. That one is small fry pan. You just spread this one a little bit like a brownies only, huh? This one, what is this? You know? Oh, you don't know. That one is sunflower seed. Okay? It's for salad. And then I will take picture also the poppy seed. But that one even though you're not putting that one, some people they would like also.
Poppy seeds.
It's a black thing.
I know.
Yeah.
Is it like the Indian kind of seeds?
It's like it's
what do you call
smaller
it?
than couscous. It's very small.
Very tiny. Huh?
It's color black. Sometimes they have mix of white and black. It's like a chia seed.
Sesame seed.
Chia
right?
seed like that.
Yeah. Huh?
Sesame seed. Right?
Sesame is a different one.
Oh.
Poppy seed is different. Oh, this one you try.
Okay.
It's a tissue.
Yeah, open up the packet of tissue.
Yes, I open already. It's still there. Good technique for making the rice. So we put together the sauce for salad. This is for the chicken. And this one is for the chicken with the 2 eggs. Okay, you need to dry it a bit. You get the wood. I'm keeping some seeds. I'm keeping some. So no need to buy that. It's so expensive also. It's not in the pocket.
Yes, true.
Yeah, that's why I'm keeping. Oh, I have this one. I will put.